Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words since and since. They are homophones, meaning that they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. Sense, noun or verb. Noun, any of the five faculties of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Awareness or understanding. Verb, to perceive or become aware of. For example, humans have five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. She has a good sense of humor. I could sense that something was wrong. Since, preposition, conjunction, or adverb. From a specified time in the past until now. Because, for the reason that. For example, I haven't seen her since last summer. Since it's raining, we'll have to cancel the picnic. She left for Paris 2 weeks ago and has since returned. To summarize, sense typically refers to physical faculties, awareness, or understanding. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to perceive. Since is used to indicate a time period from the past until now, or to mean because. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.